Yeah, you can go that way.
Let's go. Looks it. One on the left. There's contact that way. Good shot.
There's one close. Too close.
Oh, hit. Sam, I'm pushing this corner. Oh, hit! MP5 gang. That was a nice play earlier, man, wasn't it? I'll come with you.
There's caravan.
Bit of the dynamic autistic duo.
That's it.
On you.
Take top or bottom?
Bottom, straight through.
Oh, hit.
Oh, good play. Oh, in the bollock. Oh, fuck. Nice shot. Oh, Alex, that was my bell end. Oh. Literally right on the tip. Oh.
It's gonna look like that, is it? Look.
Oh, fucking hell, I hope not. They need help interior, we need to move.
She'll be back in 2 seconds.
Jamie, interior. Jamie, come to me. I'll go that way, you go that way. closed the door.
Now, the next objective after this, if you want to think ahead, the Milan case needs to be here.
Right, I don't
So
know.
if you want to talk to your teammates or anyone,
Have you got comms?
The radio is not turned on, but if turn it on if anyone's on it.
If I give you the radio, you sit on this light, we'll protect you. You get people with the Milan case and get them here.
I don't know if anyone's got the comms on, but...
Okay, there you go. Jamie, Milan case should be in Dark Office G. Dark Office G.
I don't think anyone's on.
We've got contact. We need people. Bring it here ASAP. Lads, where are we?
We've got them on the sports field. Somebody needs to be in the next room.
Yeah, copy that. Right, yeah. Keep eyes on that door, right?
Okay.
How's it looking?
Alright, I've had one of them.
You keep this. Jamie, he's got eyes on people behind that door.
So if those three hold here, me and you can go get the Milan case. We've got 15 minutes to get it here. No one's on comms.
Shit, okay.
I think we back out.
Let's move. We need to hold this. He's right on the door.
Bro, we need to get that Milan case.
Yeah, you're right. We need more people here. Why don't you? I'll stay here. You jump out the back. Any blues you see, rally them, get them here. So, I mean, if you rally some blues to here, and then I'll come and join you, and we take a squad to get the case. Yeah. Jamie, just be fast. Yeah. Contact! Door on the left-hand side of corridor.
Ask him to go away.
Go away! Please.
Shit.
Got a tremor. There's in there. One of us is dying, so I don't mind it being me.
Check your right first. Do what?
This one, left. This one.
Yep. The guy got shot here, so the guy got shot from the right guy.
No, I don't know if he's in, which room he's in.
It might be the first one. Alright, go retrieve. Retrieve now.
Hold on. Dead man!
Something is indicated. Orange, have you got a name?
Oh! Dead man coming out!
You got one guy that just for a grenade in there?
Yeah, there's a shower bottle in the toilet. So we can put it in the corner. Come 6. Anybody up there?
Right.
Oh, hit! Oh, fuck! Yeah.
I'm on fire above them, mate. Oh yeah, you were tucked away there, weren't you?
Yep.
3 o'clock.
After sneakers were right.
Yeah.
I've got mid-entrance.
Copy.
Kim. No. With a bar.
On you.
Dead man!
Dead man coming out. Ah, everybody. Dead man! Here goes! Worth it!
Down the second one.
Yeah. He's just behind the next IBC. Yeah. So, oh, he's moving.
Move right, move right, move right. Watch your left, watch your left.
Yep.
One side, just knocked all of them.
Got him. Okay, let's push.
Dead men pushing out the back.
Oh, contact 12. Oh, hit! Oh!
And Ben down in the nose.
Got it? Go.
Ben down in the nose, like.
Green light.
2 doors, left and right.
Up now. I'll go right, you go. Yeah.
Copy. Go.
Go. Door. Yeah. Steady. Clear left, clear left. Don't leave left unclear, check.
Watch right, watch right. Okay.
Red light is changed.
And wise?
Yeah, this will be coming
Clear down the
into
rest of here.
You can go up and
Sorry?
you can go down.
Clear the rest of here.
Copy.
Then go up.
On you, Sam.
Well, outside.
Good shot.
There you are.
Blue? Blue. Blue interior. Go on, buddy.
Just gotta hold it.
Yeah.